Following a ketogenic diet doesn't mean you have to go without decadent treats. The keto way of eating, of course, means very low carbs, moderate proteins, and high fats. And this Keto Pecan Pie recipe, inspired by Grass-Fed Girl, gives us exactly that in the form of a rich, toasty homemade dessert. It's so good, you'll think you're having a cheat day. The pecan pie has been a staple of homemade desserts for decades. It's an American mainstay that originated in the South and became popular in the early 1900s. This recipe, however, gives us a whole new take on the venerable favorite. Coconut, oil, milk, and flour, brown butter, and loads of pecans are at its heart, making a dessert so rich you'll question if it really does fit your way of eating. But trust us, it does. Leaving behind the corn syrup, white flour, and processed sugar of the traditional recipe, this one lets you indulge while staying true to your keto lifestyle.